Why is my HVAC system making electrical buzzing sounds? Electrical buzzing usually means a loose part, a failing electrical component, or a problem with the contactor, capacitor, or wiring. A buzzing sound can happen when electricity is trying to pass through something that is not working smoothly. Inside your heating and cooling system, there are wires, relays, motors, and switches that all have to work together, and if one piece gets worn out or loose, it can vibrate and make a buzzing noise. One common cause is a bad contactor, which is a switch that helps power turn on and off, and when it wears down it can hum or buzz. Another cause is a weak capacitor, which gives the motor an extra push to start, and when it fails, the system may struggle and make noise. Sometimes the noise comes from a loose wire touching metal, which can create a very dangerous electrical problem. Dust, dirt, and rust can also make parts shake more than they should, which makes the buzzing louder. A less known issue is that a blower motor or outdoor fan motor can buzz before it actually stops working, so the sound can be an early warning sign. If the buzzing starts and stops, or gets louder when the system tries to turn on, that is a clue that the electrical side needs attention soon. A lot of people think buzzing is just normal machine noise, but that can be a mistake because electrical buzzing is often a warning. Another common mistake is turning the system off and on again over and over, because that can put more stress on the parts and make damage worse. It is also easy to ignore the sound if the air still seems to be blowing, but a failing part can work for a short time and still be unsafe. If you hear buzzing, shut the system off and check whether the sound is coming from the indoor unit or the outdoor unit, then pay attention to when it happens. If the buzzing is near the breaker box, smell burning, or you notice lights dimming, stop using the system and call a trained technician right away. Do not open electrical panels unless you know how to stay safe, because HVAC equipment can hold dangerous power even when it is off. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back and offer their estimates.